Oh, I love the hands. Welcome back to Daytime Live. Yes. All right. The Paris Olympics kicks off on Friday. And don't worry, you can watch it right here on TVJ. So we wanted to get you geared up of who to watch out for and who better to speak to than our friend to the show, sports marketer, Miss Carole Beckford. Welcome back.
Thank you. Nice to see you. It's summer. I like the summer look.
Thank you.
Right?
We're trying. We're feeling
And the necklace.
that we're begging. All right, so Carole, the first question everybody wants to ask you when them see you now is who are the outliners in Team Jamaica? Who are we to watch and why?
Jaden Hibbert, the triple jumper.
Yeah.
I quite like him. He got injured in the World Championships, so he kind of, had a little missing, but he became the collegiate star.
Right.
And he has evolved. He's going back through his process. Very exciting character. He's very good on social media. And he has a good manager, actually.
Right. Okay.
So I think he's doing the right things in terms of getting his act to follow.
Right.
There are two other jumpers. And I don't want to be biased. They all went to KC. So something is happening with the jumpers. I know.
It's still good to hear the jumpers.
Right. Pinnock and Kerry McLeod and Jaden, they all went to Kingston College.
Okay.
So
they're doing something, right?
Right over there.
Yeah.
Got you.
So Clive Pullen, who was there, is now coaching at Kansas. And so we have a good assortment of jumpers to come.
Excellent.
So that, and I think in field events this year, we are going to challenge the status quo.
Good. Yeah.
As per usual. Love
Right.
that.
Roger, who is now being coached by America's Krauser, is going to be in the shot put. And he also got tried out at the NFL.
Really?
Okay. Okay, things are going on.
Yeah, so we're doing
a lot of
some
things.
different things. And I can't call the producer's name on air, but she's going to kill me. Because, anyway, I'm trying to prep properly.
No, but Carole, while you're talking, could you just mention the shot put?
Shot put.
You just mentioned the long jump. But we want to know what are the usual events that we must stay glued to on TVJ, that we must see?
No,
what would you say the
1, 2,
events are?
4 men and women, 100 hurdles women, 110 hurdles men, the 400 hurdles for men and women. Those are events that we must pay attention to, for sure. Also, it's the 20th Olympic Games that we're going to as a nation. We first went in 1948. So this is the 20th Olympics. So at the end of this cycle, Jamaica would have gone to 20 Olympic Games.
Amazing.
Philippines has been to as many, and them do have 1 medal. We have 88, and we keep quarreling. That's it.
That's all
When
we
you
have.
put it in perspective
Yes,
that way,
thank you. In
I
context.
appreciate
Right.
it. This is why
We're
we love
doing
you.
well. Go Jamaica.
So
Yeah.
I want to know another perspective of yours and essentially your thoughts on this. So, in social media right now, we have Noah and we have the Janelle situation happening on social media. Do you have a perspective or any thoughts
To share with us?
Yeah.
I think, let me tell you, generally, social media is not being used efficiently and effectively. So even as youngsters, and as somebody who has worked with athletes, you kind of have to guide, lead.
Yes. Create that path.
For them. What I think has happened is that they've begun to do their own posts.
Right, yep.
And so they figure everything is fair game. And it isn't. The translation of what happens inside your confined space, now, and everything good for talk.
Exactly.
Essentially. And so for me,
Yes.
it's distracting somebody from the bigger picture.
Right.
Yes.
And so I just think then it needs to stop because we're going to forget it after 2 weeks, but
Gotcha.
it just needs to stop now.
See,
Right
you see,
now,
because you're talking about social media, I love that. We're talking about Mr. Noah. What do you feel about, like you said, about being responsible on social media, but we have a lot of the foreign media promoting Mr. Lyles as the fastest man alive. What's your thoughts on that?
It's inaccurate.
It's the alive part.
It's inaccurate. You're saying he's the fastest man alive. Noah has the world leading for this year.
That he just got now.
Right. So he did that at the London
Diamond League.
last weekend. So the top contenders are from Nigeria.
Oh,
Yes.
oh,
Simbini, the African.
oh.
There. So there are 2 Africans, 2 Jamaicans, and Noah. And always look for the surprise.
Yes.
Always look for the
So
surprise.
prior to Sunday, he was not the fastest man.
He was not the fastest.
This year.
This
It was actually,
year.
okay,
Thank
prior to
you.
Sunday.
Yes.
We were running faster than him prior to Sunday.
So outside of track and field, right? For you, Carol, asking you, are there any events or any other sports that you watch?
Beach volleyball for sure.
She said she was ready.
Listen,
Swimming.
Yes.
right?
And
Yes.
of course, the basketball. 2000, when the Dream Team played in 1992, they only faced 4 players from the NBA on other international teams. I think they're going to be facing as much as 56. So in other words, the guys who come over to the NBA are now playing back for their countries.
Wow.
So LeBron, who is carrying the flag
Wow.
for America,
Yeah.
he going to face 56 of his people.
Teammates.
Teammates.
That are now with
That
their
are
own.
now-
I love that.
Wow.
All right. They're
All right.
perfect.
You know what?
Yeah.
We're gonna social media really quickly, Carol. And
Mine?
yes, yours.
Yeah.
Oh, Carol Beckford, just as my
Always.
name.
Yes,
We
Carol
have no
Beckford,
time
and you
for
find her.
nothing else.
All right, so guess what? We love talking to Carol, right? So we have to keep her with us because when we come back from this break, we are playing a game. So please stick and stay. We're right back with Mix after this. Soon forward. I'm concerned.
Stick and stay. Don't go in.